Now, sit back, relax, enjoy the beautiful sounds of the free island. Ladies and gentlemen, look behind you. Your 2025 Jack Aces.
Hey, Axel, look right here, this way. Look at him. Up, up, up.
Switzerland. Ariel Luedi U.S. User Airshow. He is an experienced skydiving instructor and aerobatic competition pilot. He is also the number 2 of the Swiss Space Station Team all flying with pilot. Looking right, you'll see the team is changing to echelon formation. Watch as number 3 changes to thick formation during the use of drill. I might try this is one of my favorite maneuvers to get this formation. I love it. Cheryl Lynn is Marco Rusconi from Fremont, Ontario. Marco enrolled in the Canadian Forces and earned his pilot wings in 2004. During his military career, he served as an instructor pilot, standards officer, course director, and even the demonstration pilot for the Canadian Snowbirds. In 2017, Marco joined the Stallion 51 team down in Florida as an instructor and has been flying with Ariel ever since. Jack Aces are setting up for the iconic Mustang split. Mustang slot loop. Agility, and endurance, and to this day, it remains a symbol of American innovation and grit. Today, there are only about 150 Aerobatic Mustangs left worldwide. Keeping these aircraft alive is more than just preservation. It's our way of honoring the legacy and the sacrifices of those who stood up for us. While we're waiting for them to approach Show Center, let's talk a little bit about Mad Max. Mad Max is a dual-control, dual-cockpit TF-51 Mustang. It was originally built in 1945 as a P-51D model. In 1995, it was restored for its new owner, Max Chapman, as the TF-51 Mad Max. It wears the colors of Major Stan Brown of 307 Fighter Squadron, 31st Fighter Group, and 15th Air Force. Mr. Chapman passed the keys over to Louis Horschel in 2015, and the rest is history. Now, get your cameras ready for the bottom side pass. We'd like to take a moment to recognize our dedicated team of safety leaders who work tirelessly keeping our Mustangs flying day in and day out. This performance would be possible without them. Here in Richard Watermark, thank you for everything you do. While the team is repositioning, let's talk a little bit about the Little Witch. It was also originally built as a D model. It spent some time in Canada at an aircraft squadron in Ontario, and with various ownership, it was converted to a TF-51 by our maintainers Peter and Richard Waterback at Stallion 51 Maintenance. The Little Witch was repainted to the 353rd Fighter Group and 352nd Fighter Squadron Speed. Ariel acquired the aircraft in 2013 and keeps it a stallion while he commutes back to the U.S.
I don't know if you see already, but both riders are flying. Both riders. Yeah.
The team is now approaching for a head-on pass. Get your cameras ready. We want to see the show with your eyes. Let's talk about the newest addition to our team, Marco Rusconi. Those that know him love him as an infectious joy and energy. You might recognize him if you stand under Canadian Snowbirds. He served as the team's number 4 and number 7 pilot for the 2008-2011 season. He brings a wealth of knowledge and experience to our team, and we are so lucky to have him. Marco is flying Cheryl Lynn. Declared surplus in 1957, Cheryl Lynn was sold for just under $1,500. Originated from the Mustang should show you that price. We found out what it was. They probably second hands, being left outside of the San Jose for over 2 decades. His resurrection began in 2002 and had his first flight in 2009. Prior to his water in 2024, he named it after his wife Cheryl.